Jefferson County in Alabama. This tornado warning does not include the city of Brent. And understand the way warnings work now, they don't include entire counties. Tornadoes are very small. And the setup we have, if we have something here, this more than likely will be a weaker, rather short-lived tornado, not one of these long-track tornadoes like the ones we saw earlier this evening in Mississippi. You saw the tragic reports coming out of South Mississippi around Columbia.
This includes the cities of Vestavia Hills, Mountain Brook, Iredale, Hueytown, Hoover, Homewood, Gardendale, Fultondale, Fairfield, Birmingham, Bessemer, until 7:45 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 5:47 p.m. Central Standard Time, very heavy rainfall was moving through Jefferson County. As rainfall amounts between 1 and 2 inches fall over the next couple of hours, some significant bonding on roadways will be possible as these storms move through. Excessive runoff from heavy rainfall will cause elevated levels on small creeks and streams and ponding of water in urban areas.
When did they become a Hearst station?
And underpasses as well as other poor drainage areas and low-lying spots.
Nonetheless, they can be damaging storms. And
the current time is 6:07 p.m. Central Standard
all the way
Time.
now from the city of Birmingham and just on the east side, really, and then down to the south from
The
there
National Weather Service in Birmingham has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Bibb County in Alabama, northern Chilton County in Alabama. Southern County warning remains in effect for northern Chilton and southeastern Bibb counties until 6:45 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 6:06 p.m. Central Standard Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a tornado. This tornado was located near Raleigh, or 13 miles southeast of Brent, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Jefferson, Raleigh, Ashby, Briarfield Iron Works Park, Chilton County Motorsports Park, Horsby, Union Grove, Capitol Mountain, Clear Lake Dam, and Randall. This includes Interstate 65 exit numbers 212 through 219. Severe weather, call 1-800-851.
Oh, that's not good.
Repeating, a tornado warning remains in effect until 6:45 p.m. Central Standard Time for the following counties in Alabama: Bibb and Shelton.
It's very helpful to
in Jones County.